LG Wing Dual Display Phone with Swivel Mode, Gimbal Camera launched. Specifications. LG Wing has been unveiled as the company's first device under the Explorer project that is aimed to bring new usability concepts to the smartphone market. The smartphone comes with two distinct displays, one of which is a swivel screen that rotates clockwise in 90 degrees to enable new use cases. LG has also offered various software tweaks to support the unique form factor and provide an enhanced multitasking experience. The LG Wing features a hinge mechanism that uses a thermoplastic polyoxymethylene at the back of the main screen to facilitate smoother swiveling and to prevent scratches on the second screen, the company claims. For selfies, the LG Wing comes with a pop-up selfie camera. LG Wing availability details. LG Wing price is yet to be revealed. However, the phone is set to debut in South Korea starting October, followed by key markets in North America and Europe. It will be offered in Aurora Gray and Illusion Sky color options. Moreover, there are no details on whether or when the phone would launch in India. LG Wing specifications, features. The LG Wing features the hinge that uses a hydraulic damper along with dual spring and dual lock to enable the rotation of the main screen. LG claims that the hinge mechanism has been tested for as much as 200,000 swivels. Also, the company has applied thermoplastic polyoxymethylene at the back of the main screen. The material is often used in precision parts for high stiffness and low friction. It is touted to help prevent scratches on the second screen. The new form factor brings basic mode and swivel mode as the two options to bring a differentiated user experience. In the swivel mode, the company says that the entire front of the phone rotates clockwise in 90 degrees and orients the main screen in landscape mode. This brings a widescreen experience and allows users to interact with the second screen even while watching videos on the main screen. LG has partnered with platforms including YouTube and Tubi to enable the Wing smartphone to play videos on the main screen while offering comments or the search bar on the second screen. The second screen can also work as a media controller while playing videos on the main screen. The pre-installed Naver Whale browser is also optimized for the new form factor. Further, LG has tied up with platforms such as Rave and Ficto to utilize the second screen for displaying content while playing videos full screen on the main screen. Aside from the new video playback experiences, the LG Wing comes with a multi-app feature that lets users create shortcuts for pairs of apps that they want to use simultaneously on both main and second screens. The smartphone also comes with a grip lock that, once enabled, makes the second screen as a grip and brings information such as time and date, without responding to any accidental touches. In terms of specifications, the dual SIM, Nano, LG Wing runs on Android 10 with QoS on top and features a 6.8-inch Full HD+, 1080 by 2460 pixels, POLED full vision panel as the main screen, while its second screen is a 3.9-inch Full HD+, 1080 by 1240 pixels, GOLED panel. The main screen has a 20.5:9 aspect ratio and 395p of pixel density. However, the second screen comes with an odd 1.15:1 aspect ratio and a pixel density of 419p. The LG Wing is powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC, paired with 8GB of RAM. The smartphone comes with a triple rear camera setup that houses a 64-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.8 lens, 13-megapixel secondary sensor with an f/1.9 ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 12-megapixel tertiary sensor with an f/2.2 ultra-wide-angle lens. There is also a hexa-motion stabilizer. The presence of dual ultra-wide-angle lenses on the LG Wing powers a gimbal motion camera feature that lets users control the camera angle using a virtual joystick on the second screen. The feature also comes with a lock to reduce shakes and blurring effects as well as a follow mode for optimizing videos when moving, pan follow for horizontal movement. All this enables a real gimbal-like experience, the company said. For capturing selfies and enabling video chats, the LG Wing comes with a 32-megapixel camera sensor on the pop-up module, along with an f/1.9 lens. The LG Wing comes in 128GB and 256GB of onboard storage options that both are expandable via microSD card, up to 2 TB. Connectivity options include 5G, 4G LTE-A, Wi-Fi 802.11 acres, Bluetooth V5.1, NFC, GPS, a GPS, and a USB Type-C port. There is an in-display fingerprint sensor. Further, the phone comes with an IP54 rated water and dust-resistant chassis. There is also a 3D sound engine. LG has provided a 4,000 mAh battery on the Wing that supports Quick Charge 4.0 plus 25 watts fast charging and 10 watts wireless charging. Besides, The phone measures 169.5 by 74.5 by 10.9 mm and weighs 260 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.